Update on the babies. It's been 3 nights they've been sleeping inside of their own space. But they are doing good. And this is the side for the big chicken. The laying box actually needs to be facing the door, so when I slide open the door, I just grab the eggs. If you've seen any of the past videos with the chicken, then you'll know that the chicken house was a little different. We gave it a little upgrade, so we can add the baby chicks.